I had a number of you ask me if I could go ahead and upload this in 4K, as everybody wanted to see what it looks like. Bill, a drone reviewer here. If you enjoyed the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Well, my first flight for the Fimi X8 SE 2020 is in the books, and it went very well, as you saw by my first video. I had a number of you ask me if I could go ahead and upload this in 4K, as everybody wanted to see what it looks like in 4K. So without any further ado, I'm going to roll that clip in its entirety. Now, this is just the footage off of the drone. This is not the footage from my cell phone. So let's roll that clip.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
So what did you think of the footage in 4K? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll